This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming the two numbers you need, the original amount and the new amount. Once confirmed, subtract the new from the original to get the absolute drop. This is the only correct first step. Make sure both values use identical units and formats, and if you get a zero drop, the percentage change is 0. If you accidentally subtract the wrong way, you will get a negative result, which means you reverse the order. Correct that before moving on. Once you have the absolute drop, divide that number by the original value. This fraction represents the proportion of change relative to where you started. After dividing, multiply the result by 100 to convert it into a percentage. Make sure you multiply, not divide, at this stage. If you want a cleaner number, round to a reasonable number of decimal places. Typically 1 or 2 decimals are sufficient. Also note that because you used original in the denominator, the percentage reflects relative change correctly. You finish by stating the result as a percent decrease and explaining what it means in context, for example, 3% decrease in price per item. Make sure to present it as a positive percentage with the word decrease so the direction is clear. If your computed percent exceeds 100, double-check inputs and units because that usually signals an error. If something looks off, repeat the single-step formula. Subtract, divide by original, then multiply by 100. Repeating the same steps often reveals the mistake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.